So look at this account. It's a live account, a live server, PU Prime. I'm sure a lot of you know this broker. So it is for those of you that are always doubting and asking for live results, and no matter what we provide for you, you still keep asking. So look at this. It's a live server. You can see that, right? It's the same server. So I'm sure you can see that. All right. Sorry about that. I'm sure you can see that. You can see the balance right now, $3,751. Let's go right to the chart. Titan FX robot. I'm sure you can see that. You can see the equity. Same as what's here. Now let's go to the history on this account. Let me show you what Titan FX robot has done. So today's win was a statement win. We made $1,544 on this account with Titan FX robot. This is the amount of profit we made on a single day. If you watch the market today, today's a Friday. Today's the 14th of November 2025. Today's a Friday. And you know that the volatility today was so massive. That's the reason why we raked in this amount of profit. Whenever there is high volatility in the market, the tendency of gold to spiral, giving us the opportunity to make profit is usually very massive. So in all of that, Titan FX robot kept scalping the market, and this is what the outcome is: $1,544, massive. Now let's go to the monthly because I don't want us to waste time here. So look at the deposit, $3,619. The total profit, $3,199 on this account, and the total withdrawal, $3,068. You can see that the credit is a bonus that was given to us by PU Prime when we made the initial deposit on this account. So you can see the history, see the deposit. You can correlate with what's going on here. We're not joking here. So when you keep saying Titan FX robot is not delivering, this is just to show you that yes, you are the one that's failing around. So look at this statement win. Look at this. You won't find this anywhere. So in just a few weeks, Titan FX robot delivered over 100% profit on this account, and this is massive result. I'm telling you guys, I kid you not. So let's open the tab so that I can see the idea of the robot, Titan FX robot. I'm sure you can see that. So you appreciate the efficiency of this robot. So if you have this, you don't have to sit on your system trying to analyze the market. And for a lot of you, you've never made a withdrawal from your account. Never. So if you want to start trading hands-free and making consistent withdrawal, this is just the tool for you. This is the tool you need, Titan FX robot. You don't need to sit in front of a chart trying to analyze the market 24/7 when we have a system that's capable of delivering profit. And I mean guaranteed, a system that guarantees you profit on a daily basis without you having to do much. It's just a simple plug and play system. A simple plug and play. So it doesn't matter how much equity you want to trade with, you just reach out to us and we get your account connected to this robot, and 24/7 this robot is trading without you having to do nothing. So imagine that experience of waking up from your bed and just seeing the profit being delivered on your account. Imagine the stress-free life you'll be living. That's what everybody prays for. That's what everybody wishes for. And that is what Titan FX robot is here to deliver. So if you want this system, if you want to get your account connected to this system, just reach out to me right now via my DM at FxCoLonel on Telegram. I'll leave my link in the description of this video. If you want to get in touch, just reach out to me via my DM on Telegram. Cheers to you guys. Cheers to you guys.